How to remove relative on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here and then click these 3 points and click edit profile, then scroll down until you find the relatives and then click this pen here and click remove from list and delete, and that's how to remove it. I hope that can help you because it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.